Game development can be a long and complex journey, but what if AI could help speed up the process? Today we're diving into Ludo AI, a tool designed to take you from concept to a fully fleshed out game design document in just minutes. Whether you're an indie dev or a seasoned creator, this might be the AI assistant you've been waiting for. If you're excited about AI-powered game development, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the best tools for creators. Now let's get started. What exactly is Ludo AI? Ludo AI is an all-in-one game design and research platform that helps you brainstorm ideas, research market trends, and generate assets, all in one place. But the real magic? It can help structure and organize your game concept into a complete game design document. This will save tremendous time in the design and planning phase, getting you one step closer to sharing your vision with the world. Let's start fresh and craft a brand new game concept with the help of Ludo AI. For today's experiment, we'll be using the game ideator to bring our vision to life. First, we enter a simple idea. How about a cyberpunk parkour adventure? To refine it further, we'll set key parameters to shape the concept. For the genre, we'll go with arcade to keep the gameplay fast-paced and skill-based. Since we want high-quality visuals and smooth controls, we'll choose desktop as our platform. For the art style, a retro 3D aesthetic sounds like a fun way to capture a nostalgic, low-poly look. Finally, we'll set the perspective to third person to fully immerse players in the action. With everything in place, we hit generate, and just like that, Ludo AI works its magic, producing a list of potential mechanics, themes, and even unique character concepts. It's an instant burst of inspiration, transforming a vague idea into a structured game concept in seconds. In just seconds, Ludo AI generates 3 distinct game concepts, each with its own unique mechanics, style, and creative direction. If one of these ideas aligns with your vision, simply click Develop this idea, and Ludo will take it a step further, providing a deeper breakdown of the game's core mechanics, themes, and overall feel. This next stage refines the concept, offering a clearer picture of how the game will play, look, and evolve, bringing you one step closer to a fully realized design. When working on videos like this, we always look for ways to make editing more efficient. That's where Opus Clip AI comes in. It automatically transforms long videos into short, engaging clips, making it perfect for repurposing content across platforms. If you're a creator looking to save time, check out our affiliate link in the description. One of Ludo's standout features is its powerful research tool, which provides valuable insights into existing cyberpunk games. By analyzing industry trends, it helps us identify overused mechanics, discover market gaps, and refine our concept to stand out. Ludo simplifies this process with an intuitive scoring system. From 1 to 10, the higher the score, the greater the chance that your idea is unique and not oversaturated. This feature ensures that your game not only feels fresh but also has a strong potential to capture player interest. And just like that, we've gone from a simple idea to a complete game concept, backed by research and structured in a way that makes development easier. We not only have gameplay mechanics and character designs, but Ludo even gives us some sample 3D models to help us better envision our concept. This is a game changer for indie developers and studios alike. If you enjoy our content and want to support the channel, check out our official Redbubble store. We've got some awesome AI and gaming-inspired designs, including some featuring our very own lab rat Larry. Every purchase helps us keep bringing you fresh content. That's it for today. What do you think of Ludo AI? Would you use it in your own game projects? Let us know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the world of AI-powered creation. See you next time.